Hello everyone, today we're going to solve the first question of the 2024 CCC Senior Contest. It is called Hat Circle. We're trying to figure out how many people are looking at someone with the same number on their hat as them. So first, we're going to solve the problem in Python 3. A is going to be the number of people, and then B is going to be where the number on everyone's hat is stored. And then S is going to be the number of people who see someone directly across the table with the same number on their hat as them. And then we're going to run a loop that adds the number on everyone's hat into B. We're going to run a second loop. And this loop checks if the person is looking at someone directly across the table with the same number hat as them. And if yes, we add 2 to the sum. And at the end, we print the sum. This is a C++ version of the code. Thanks for watching.